Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got a lot of exciting space news to talk about today, so let's dive right in. First up, we've got a fascinating update about the US military's mini space shuttle, the X-37B, which has just returned to Earth after a record-breaking 434 days in orbit. This secretive mission had the shuttle carrying out various experiments in space, but as usual, the specifics are kept under wraps. The X-37B's return marks another successful chapter in its impressive history, showcasing the advancement in military space technology. Switching gears to some exciting news from NASA's Webb Space Telescope. Webb has once again amazed scientists with stunning images of an actively forming star system. This new observation gives us unprecedented detail of the early stages of star formation, offering a glimpse into the birth of stars in a way that we've never seen before. It's a true testament to how powerful this telescope is and the incredible strides we're making in exploring our universe. And speaking of space exploration, let's talk about NASA's latest achievement. The team has successfully acquired GPS signals on the moon for the first time ever. This is a big step forward, as it will make lunar navigation far more precise and efficient. It's one of those moments that shows how far we've come, and it'll be crucial for upcoming missions as we continue to push boundaries on the moon and beyond. But not everything in space is going smoothly. A private lunar lander, which was on a mission to the moon's south pole, has unfortunately been declared dead. This lander had trouble during its final descent, landing sideways in a crater and couldn't recover. Despite the setback, it's important to note that these missions are always a learning process, and even failures teach us valuable lessons about the harsh conditions of space. Another lunar mission faced difficulties as well. It appears that a private lunar lander may have fallen over while touching down near the moon's south pole. This highlights just how challenging it is to land on the moon, especially in the region with its unpredictable terrain. But, as always, space exploration is full of risks, and each mission gives us more data for future success. On a brighter note, the Hubble Space Telescope has once again delivered amazing views, this time capturing a stunning spiral galaxy in the constellation Hydra. It's a beautiful reminder of just how vast and breathtaking our universe really is. The images are clear, detailed, and show us the grandeur of galaxies far, far away. Back here on Earth, scientists are thinking about ways to help astronauts on long missions, especially when it comes to the dangers of radiation sickness. One potential solution being discussed is the idea of astronauts replacing their own mitochondria. This could be a game changer in how we treat radiation exposure, offering a new path for future space travel. In other NASA news, engineers have successfully installed the solar array wings on the Orion spacecraft for the upcoming Artemis II mission. This marks another milestone in preparing for humanity's return to the moon and beyond. The Orion spacecraft will be a key player in this historic mission, and the installation of the solar arrays is just one step closer to getting it off the ground. And while we're talking about space missions, let's not forget the amazing contributions of citizen scientists. Volunteers working on a galaxy classification project have reached an impressive milestone, achieving 200,000 galaxy classifications. This just shows how much power lies in community-driven science, and it's helping to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Meanwhile, on Mars, the Perseverance team is facing a challenging engineering hurdle. The rover has been dealing with some persistent technical issues, but as always, the team is working hard to find solutions. The Perseverance rover continues to be our eyes and ears on Mars, and every challenge is an opportunity to learn more. Sadly, SpaceX's Starship test flight has ended in another explosion, marking another setback for Elon Musk's ambitious project. While it's disappointing, setbacks like these are expected in the fast-paced world of space exploration. SpaceX is already analyzing the data to improve their next attempt, so we can expect even bigger things from them in the future. And on Mars itself, the planet's atmosphere is having an ongoing battle with solar wind. This dynamic struggle is shaping the Martian environment in ways we're just beginning to understand. It's a fascinating area of study, as it plays a huge role in the planet's ability to sustain life, or lack thereof, over time. Lastly, communication satellites are playing an increasingly important role in surveying Earth. These satellites help monitor our planet's health, track climate change, and provide critical data for a wide range of global issues. As technology continues to evolve, these satellites are becoming more sophisticated, offering clearer and more accurate data that could be crucial in addressing some of the planet's most pressing challenges. That's all for today's update, but there's always more to come from the world of space. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe for more space news and discoveries. See you next time.